I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials. Enable system-level accessibility and developer modes on iOS, Android, Windows, Mac OS, and the web. Do this now so you can test continuously. Collect key personas and assistive technology, screen readers, switch devices, magnifiers, because why you enable features depends on real needs. Once done, record baseline metrics like task time, error rate, and % of successful navigation. These numbers guide decisions and show progress as always-on accessibility. You now integrate accessibility into the build pipeline so features stay on. Add automated linters and CI tests that fail builds on missing labels, poor contrast, or broken focus order. This enforces standards automatically. Implement semantic markup and area roles, and make sure focus order follows reading order. This is how screen readers and keyboard users succeed. Once integrated, include automated screen reader scripts in CI and visual contrast checks, so regressions are caught before release. You finish by deploying with feature flags and telemetry that track accessibility metrics in production, task success, errors, and usage by assistive tech. Monitor continuously and run scheduled user tests with real assistive device users, then prioritize fixes into sprints. Make sure to include a rapid response process for incidents and a rollback plan for regressions. If something goes wrong, first reproduce the issue with the same assistive tech and telemetry trace, then patch, test, and push a hotfix immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.